Good morning to everyone. My name is Tejesh. As part of KLU student, I am studying in B.Tech first year. Here we can see our social internship final presentation of myself. My domain is agriculture. My internship mode is report mode, in which we consider in the village and we visited our fields. Overview of domain purpose. Our purpose of the agriculture purpose is being to be a science art and a practice of cultivating of the soil and growing crops in the fields, and we visiting to the farmers and inquiring about the fields and their conditions before and after the field yield production. Here we can see our sustainable development goals related to our domain. Here we can see our sustainable development goal 1, without no poverty. No poverty means because of the in the field production the farmers will be treated of their field will be only with equal priorities of their own fields. And we can see our sustainable development goal 2, zero hunger. Zero hunger is equal importance to our poverty, and treating the yield of the fields by the farmers has been good. In our 7 days challenges, we can see our Swachh Bharat mission, where we clean our surroundings related to our public places and government places. Here we can see our photos. Here we can see the image where we clean our surroundings in besides of the road places. And in the daily activities, we can maintaining our healthy posture of doing any exercises. Here our 7 days journey challenges, we learning about the domains, agriculture, learnings and hurdles. Here day 1, we introduction and field orientation. In day 2, soil and land preparation. In day 3, seed selection and sowing. And day 4, irrigation management. And day 5, day 6. In the day 5, crop management practice, where we go to the farmers and knowing the crop management. Day 6, harvesting and post-harvest activities, in which we can see about all of the end of their crops fields. Day 7, we reflection and reporting of these projects. Key learning experience, what we learn in the 7 days challenges is discipline and daily routine, environmental awareness, Swachh Bharat practices, and field exposure and community, what we learn in the 7 days experiences. Coming to the identify and problem, we identify the problem of growing the excess of plants in besides of the neem trees. We identified the problem is in this picture we will see in the grass where we besides of our neem trees we will grow. We find the solution. The solution is using the pesticides and fertilizers. Here the post we will send to the social medias and Instagrams our images. In the Lippy games is also helpful to our cells, which is useful for the children to play the games. This is all about we will learn in the social internship of the KLU University before I will complete. In the Lippy games, we will observe that children are playing in the games like stories, which will help us to Indian culture and awareness. Through the Lippy games, we will observe the children's enthusiasm, and we will certify of a participation of being in a Swachh Bharat challenge. We will get the certificate in my government quizzes, which will be preferred by our college universities. In this, we observe that the form we will be accessible to the village. We will do our internship in 7 days challenges. Here signed in the health department of the offices. Thank you for giving this opportunity.